Yesterday's jobs report was insane. Okay, definitely unexpected. And the market is still trying to figure out how to react to this news. Now, this may have actually been a very positive sign for the crypto market. Okay, typically these reports, when you come out, at least as of recently here, you want them to be negative. You want to see growth slowing down because it's a positive sign for the economy. It also, it shows that the Fed's policy that they're putting into place as far as increasing interest rates and things like that is working. Well, we got some insane numbers yesterday. Now, non-farm payrolls, so jobs added in January, 517,000 jobs. Now, keep in mind, the expected for this last month here was 185,000. So it was an absolute blowout report. It was a lot higher than what was expected. Now, during the same time, unemployment actually fell to 3.4% from 3.5%, which is actually the lowest since 1969. Now, the unemployment rate, I don't know how much I trust that. You've seen varying numbers all over the place, but 3.4% is still very low unemployment. Now, here's the thing. Average hourly earnings also rose another 0.3%, up 4.4% year on year. So this was actually an extremely strong report. Now, here's the thing. We obviously don't know how the Fed is going to react to this. They may say, oh, we need to tighten things further, or we have more room to raise interest rates to try to bring down inflation faster. That's the only really negative thing I could see coming from this. But what this really shows is that we may be in store for a soft landing. Now, there's been all these fears about recession. I think that we actually went through kind of a mini recession when we had those 2 declining quarters of GDP. Anywhere else in the world, that is the textbook definition of a recession. That's the key thing to remember. Now, for the US, to change the definition needs to be 3 declining quarters. But we've now had 2 increasing quarters of GDP, so positive economic growth. We have wages still high. We're still adding jobs. Inflation is starting to come down. So actually now the fear of a recession again in 2023 is starting to lessen. That's the key thing to remember. Now, as the market starts to recover, you got to remember one thing. Throughout history, the markets have bottomed before the economy has started to recover. So we now hit this deep bottom back in December, right? And we've been working our way out of it. January was fantastic. February's continued to be good so far. Now the real question lies, have we hit the bottom? With this strong economic growth that is still happening, is it possible that we may have seen the worst of the downside? If so, that might be one of the most mild-mannered bear markets, I think, in history. Now, I still think we're probably due for some more correction. We're probably going to see still, some more negative stuff coming. I don't think we're in the bull market yet or anything like that, but it's at least a positive sign. And this jobs report may have just shown you that we may be in store for some very good times ahead. And this is coming at a perfect time too. I talk a lot about adoption and growth, and I think that this next bull market cycle is going to be a huge period for that. I think the number of people using crypto or holding crypto is going to grow by a very large amount. Right now, there's about 5% of the world that currently holds and uses crypto. I think during this next market cycle, it's going to be above 10%. There's huge adoption coming. There's a reason that big companies are taking out patents for different parts of the crypto industry, and the growth is coming. Okay, a lot of people haven't seen what's happened behind closed doors and behind the scenes during this time, but it'll definitely come to the forefront over the next couple of years here. But that's all I got for you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I'm still trying to digest this jobs report as well. It definitely shocked me. I was expecting something a little worse, but is what it is. We'll see how the market reacts. Appreciate you guys as always. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely show your love below. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button as well. Let me know that you guys are enjoying the content that I'm making, but I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend, and I really hope to catch you in the next one. Take care.